Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2017 Chevy Colorado, and if you're looking for an amazing truck that has tow package, heated seats, a media center, and more, then you're gonna love this super unique vehicle. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this bright red exterior color. You have your Z71 badging under your Chevy badging on your grille, and then you have these projector beam headlamps. I love the design of those. It really gives it a differentiation between it and the other Chevy trucks. You also have your fog lamps below, and this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels in that two-tone color. And this could fall under our certification, and if it does, it would be our 5-year, 60,000-mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at WowWoodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about it. Then looking at your side mirrors, they are power adjustable and heated, and you have a corner mirror on your driver's side so you can see easier into your blind spot. Looking at these front seats, we have these leather-wrapped seats. They are black and gray with that cloth insert in the middle. Love that texture in that pattern. They are heated and power adjustable as well. And then looking at your leather wrapped steering wheel, you have your cruise controls, your closer controls, Bluetooth streaming, and then your media controls on the back. Looking over at your media center, you have your radio options right there. And you also have your phone settings so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, text messages, and everything. And then this is for if you subscribe to OnStar. You have all of your other apps here, including projection manager, so if you want to project your phone screen onto this screen, you can. And you have your radio options below that, climate controls, and you have that LCD display to show your fan and your temperature. And below that you have your hill descent, bed light, traction control, and then your heated buttons right there. When your vehicle is on and in reverse, you also have a backup camera so you can see clearly behind your vehicle, line up a trailer, all of that stuff. So you have a media hub right here with a USB port, aux port, and a 12-volt. Two cup holders in the middle. Like this design. It's really nice and modern. And then you have your giant center console with a USB port. Looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable. And let's take a look at the back. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a cup holder armrest with 2 cup holders, and you have 2 USB ports and a 12-volt, so your people in the back can charge up their devices. You also have a split bench so you can fold these up, and then you have some storage space underneath right there, plus a sliding back window. Then making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps, your V6 badging, and your tow package, so you can bring your trailers and everything. You have your hookup right there. And these have corner steps as well, so you can easily climb into the bed up the truck. And you have remote start on your key fob. Looking into your bed, you have 4 tie-down hooks on the sides, and this truck is just great overall. I love the design of it inside and out. It really makes a statement, and you have those amazing heated seats at media center. And if you want to see this Chevy or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.